Welcome to the product tour of Legitt AI. Once you log in using your email and password, you land on the dashboard. This is your mission control. This pie chart shows the total number of documents you have on the platform and the status of these documents. Here are some of the key actions that a user needs to take on a regular basis. On the right-hand side are the recent documents you or your team would have created. The most important part on the dashboard is the alerts. These alerts are generated for the events embedded in the signed contracts. These events can be payment milestones, important dates, renewals, or phases of the engagement. You can also check the trends of number of documents created, signed, and tracked on the platform. On the left-hand side is the detailed menu of actions that one can perform on the Legitt AI platform. On the right-hand bottom corner is your assistant Lana. Ask her anything about the platform and she will assist you. Over a period of time, she learns your behavior and acts as another member on your team. This is assistive intelligence in action. For an organization, managing and tracking existing contracts is as important a task as creating and signing new contracts. So, we always suggest clients to first start managing their existing contracts on the platform before they start creating new ones. You can upload existing contracts using the upload functionality. Click on upload and you can either import contracts one by one or in bulk. Let's upload a single document into Legitt AI. Browse the file from your machine and upload. Legitt AI will scan the document to extract key information from the document. Legitt AI first creates a short synopsis of the document. Even if it is a 100-page document, Legitt AI will explain in just one paragraph what the document is about, who has signed it, what are the key clauses, services, commercials, milestones, and other important dates. You can also get this information in bullet points here. Next, what it does is, it extracts all the important clauses present in the document. Legitt AI has been trained on hundreds of thousands of real-life contracts and exhaustive clause libraries to mimic human behavior and identify these clauses just like a legal professional or a contract specialist would do. Not only does it identify clauses present in the document, but it also identifies clauses missing in the document, which you might want to add. Legitt AI also scans and extracts all the events in the document. These events can be based on time, duration, and dates. Some of the events, for example payment milestones, might have monetary value attached to them. Legitt AI extracts the dates as well as the monetary value of the milestone. You can select and add these events to your alerts pipeline and even sync with your Google and Microsoft Outlook calendars. You can edit the alerts to add email IDs of other team members or teams that you feel should also track these events and milestones. If some of the events are not important or a duplicate, you can delete them as well. You also have the option of adding these events to your to-do list managed on the Legitt AI platform. In the to-do list, you can not only add alerts and create tasks for yourself to track, but also add other team members and assign them the task. This helps in creating seamless collaboration between team members and different teams. Now that you have uploaded one contract and created its alerts, you can upload dozens, hundreds, and even thousands of contracts, and Legitt AI will build an alerts pipeline for all these contracts. By default, the system will start giving you alerts for an event 30 days before its due date, but you can configure this timeline. Legitt AI also color codes the events based on how many days are left to complete the task. The red ones are events occurring in next 7 days, the orange ones, next week, and so on. Now that you have uploaded all your existing contracts and have started tracking them via Legitt AI, you can start creating new contracts. For creating a new contract, click on Create. Legitt AI offers you 4 ways to create new contracts. You can start from scratch, upload a Word document, use templates, or use Legitt AI Contract Generator. For creating a contract from scratch, Legitt AI offers you a blank editor where you can start typing text. You can also add different types of content by adding content blocks, like an image block, a table, or a pricing table. You can also add a cover page for the document. This is similar to creating a document using Microsoft Word. The second method of initiating a contract is by uploading a document from an external source. Click on Upload and select the required document from your local machine. The document is imported into Legitt AI and you can further edit this document in the editor. The third method to initiate a contract draft is by using the templates functionality. Legitt AI provides 500+ templates on the platform that you can use to create agreements and contracts, or you can also upload your own templates onto Legitt platform. Once you select a template, click on Edit and the content of the template is poured into the editor, where you can further edit the document. The variables in the template are highlighted in yellow. You can fill in these variables as per your requirements. The fourth and last method to create a contract is via Legitt AI Contract Generator. As you keep filling the required information, the AI contract generator keeps generating the contract sections on the left. Here we give the type of contract, its start and end dates, as well as the services or product for which the contract is being created. Give the information about the parties entering the contract.